Okay, guys, this is exam 4, question number 8. You are playing a game of Cyber Dungeons and Hacker Dragons. You must roll higher than 7 total with 2 fair-sided dice to defeat the epic, unmathematical boss of the super hyper cyber future realm. You roll a pair of 6-sided fair dice. What is the probability that the 2 dice sum to a total that's higher than 7? So we have 2 dice, right? And so what we're going to do is we're going to construct a table where I'll put one of the dice as the columns and one of the dice as the rows. And each entry here will be the sum of those 2 dice totals. And then we're going to count all of the possibles. That'll be our denominator. And then all the ones that sum to a total of 7 or over 7. And that will be our denominator, or our numerator rather. So for our first dice, well, it's 6-sided dice. It can either be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. And our second dice will go over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then for each entry, I'll just add up the column in the row. So 1 plus 1 is 2. And you're going to quickly see a pattern arise, right? 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 2 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 2 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And of course, that makes sense. 6 plus 6 is 12. So how many possible sums do we have? Well, we have 6 columns and 6 rows. That would be 6 times 6 was 36. So I know that my denominator is 36. And now we're going to find out all the sums that are higher than 7. Okay? And I'm just going to put a little red dot in them. So our first one, none of the ones in the first row are greater than 7. We only have one here. So a little dot just to let me know. And notice how the 8s are in this nice diagonal. So I'm just going to put a dot on each of those. Well, 9 is greater than 7. And they're also in the diagonal. 10, 11, and of course 12 is greater than 7. So finally, I'm going to count all my red dots. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. And the last thing that we're going to do is we're just going to make sure this is in Low's terms. It looks like the top and bottom can be divided by 3. So 3 into 15 is 5. 3 into 36 is 12. And 5 12 looks like it's in lowest terms. So we're done. That's the problem.